Hey guys, it's Rose, the agricultural intern with NutriTower right now. Just wanted to take a little bit of time today to look at some little plant health issues or pictures that clients have sent in. So here we go. So seeing these spotted leaves could be indicative actually of either downy mildew or bacterial leaf spot. Both of these are microbial issues, both of which have similar symptoms and management styles. So we're going to just go over a few of them with you, which are generally also good for plant health. A lot of times with these microbial issues, being able to aerate your plants properly is really helpful. So thinning it out occasionally, pinching off some of the older leaves or especially infected ones as well is a great management style. So the top defense against downy mildew is actually to buy certified seeds. So something that generally will be written in the labels or on the online description as being pathogen-free, clean seed. It's your #1 option and I strongly recommend it. Now in the event where you do have this on a rather large scale, it's often better to just get rid of the whole plant entirely. So if you can just cut a few leaves, great. Otherwise, take the whole thing out and sterilize the system or the pot with some diluted vinegar or chlorine solution, just to make sure that you're not going to get this problem again with the next plant. So if you're experiencing issues with salt accumulation, the best thing to do is to flush it out. So let your system run with pure water for one to two cycles until you can really see that the surface of the coir pucks has a little bit less salt on it. So if you're experiencing a yellowing of the leaves, that could be indicative of a nitrogen deficiency. So if you're using the solution provided by NutriTower, just maybe boost your dose a little bit. You'll know you're good when the new leaves are coming out freshly green. Anything that's yellow, you can just pick off.